This is Zobi's manufacturing plant in Anambra State, and this is how cable wire is being manufactured in this company. Look at the big machine, guys. Show them. Look at it. This is how it goes. And before, come. Show them. Section by section, section by section. Look at the big machine here, guys. This is massive. Look at this one. And come. Then look at this one. This is how the cable, the wire you use to wire your house, this is how it's manufactured. Look at it. Come and show them. The machine are big. Yeah. This is another section. And come here. Guys, this is massive. This is big. I have never seen this before. And today, I have a privilege to show you how wire is being manufactured in Nigeria, in Igbo. Guys,
this is a product from that machine.
Okay, from the other machine.
Yes, so it forms an input for this machine.
Okay.
So what we do here is process of extrusion. Extrusion is an engineering term used when you melt a material to flow out and then form, a shape. So as it's coming now, it's now coating the wire, and then when it gets here, is the water makes it solidifies it.
This is not a hotel, oh. If I go low wire, different type of one of the best. Zobi's cable.
Like you can see, this one is brown.
Okay, yeah,
it's brown. So any color you want. This is what you call a embosser. Embosser. This gives it an kind of inscription that tells you the size of the product, the voltage rating, and then the manufacturer. Wow. So this is what when you see in the market, you can identify it with a particular manufacturer. And here you have three wires twisted together. Okay. This is called flexible cable.
Flexible cable.
Flexible cable.
Wow.
And then it will now go, what we call secondary sheeting. Secondary. To go through secondary extrusion, which is called sheeting.
Okay.
Secondary.
So that is what is going on.
This one is primary coating.
Okay.
Can you see it's already coated?
Yes.
So it's primary extrusion. So this one is secondary extrusion.
Okay. Wow. It's not. I now understand what is happening here.
We have about 21 machines that will come and be installed here.
Here.
Yes, about 21 machines for armored cables, overhead wires, control cables, and some other special cables. Right? It's not stopping here. There is a land. There is a land here acquired. Maybe when you're going, I'll show you.
Another land.
Yes, that one. He intends to go into medium and high voltage cables. Then fiber optics.
Okay.
Fiber optics and some other special communication cables.
This is finished product from Zobi's cable, and this cable here is for sale. And there is one of the best cable in the market. Everywhere we go, Zobi's cable. If you're in Nigeria, Zobi's cable. Rono, Zobi's cable. Ro Hotel, Zobi's cable. Surprise. Zobi's cable. So that Zobi's cable produced by Ezobi, John Ezobi, Akwabata, one of Ezinifte. And we have our own. Guys, we talk about Hildan Danara, we talk about Joseph Wang, we talk about all our olden days industrialists, billionaires who were producing pens. And today, this man continued their legacy. John Ezobi will go. So guys, this is Creative Law TV, and we're live and direct in Anambra State. And today, we are in one of the biggest cable manufacturing company in Nigeria. You want to go? About the Zobi's industry, where they produce cables and wires. You understand? And the CEO, Mr. John Ezobi, Akwabata, one of his initiatives. Oh, one no liver the coke. Even if you want to live, when you want to live, they want no live. No live an address nowhere. So, if I be a young man that is doing massively well, he has a company, different companies, but today, every noble na wire companies. We can't or ditch in a company, or ditch in a wire. When I get back, I thought, go soon. If on a look taga server, go soon. The reason why you want to preach at Corona, the reason why you want to go see form, no, you going to make them. If I am a mabra, I will tell you and we show you. And I go to Kulu, case I hope wire you may use when I wire can do. Now, begging one of ya. Go to Kulu, Makanda, one night, our brothers on our way back, na company has it be na buy. In fact, I need promote, guys. You know what? People they made him na video, but share this video. Open, I got to this video without our share because this is massive. How to promote our own. He can choose to build this in Lagos, anywhere in the world. Because but he decided to build in Anambra State. This is an Igbo colony. Here. All these workers are our people. Eh? Oh, mmadụ rụọ onwe ebe tinyere ya. Ọkwa nke ife dị mma ka a na-eme. Ọ ndị anụ na-eme na ụlọ ya dụrọ n'obodo. Na-anya ebe a. Na-anya. Zobis building wire and cables manufacturing plant powered beyond your dreams. Before I talk about power beyond your dreams. On your about his what motto. So can you just go say machine need negotiate terrain everything you could say about this great company. You know what?
I'm Engineering Zokosa. I'm the General Coordinator for Zobis Cable Limited. Zobis is an indigenous manufacturer of electrical cable and wire in Nigeria. I came into Zobis some time ago, long ago, in China, when I went to arrange some machines for my former company. You know, I met him as a young man then, and the way I saw passion in him, and then we became friends. You know, while I was in my former company, once in a while we talk, we discuss, and then when I left my company, and then he was consulting me. You know, I was giving some professional advice on how to go, how to do this, how to do that. And after some time, he invited me and said, please, let's work together. You know, it was a difficult decision, but I now say this man is very passionate about manufacturing, and such a person should be, you know, encouraged. You know, so Anan had to start working with him. He has big dreams, very big dreams. My discussion with him so far, when I came in, this was not the level the company was, and the company is gradually growing. And where I see him going is something tremendous. You know, it's something that will help to boost the economy, you know, create employment, and then, you know, help the country. So I think he's a man with a large heart, very large heart, and he's ready to conquer the industry. He's a simple man, anyway. You know, he likes being addressed as Mr. John Ezobi. Meanwhile, he's a chief, he's a titled man, and his title is Chief Akwabata, yeah, from Ezinifite. Like I said earlier, he has a very big dream, and that is why I decided to, you know, come and do my part to help him, you know, to see what I can do to groom the young ones. You know, I'm of age, so the time will come when I will step aside. But all I can say is that what he's dreaming is something else. From my discussions with him, right now we're into house wiring, some industrial cables, and then he wants to move into more industrial cables. Like you have all sizes of armored cables. You know, in cable industry or rather in cable business, you have numerous sizes of cables, power, communication, and so he wants to cover everything, including medium and high voltage communication cables like fiber optics, and so on and so forth. So what he's dreaming is quite large, and he has acquired a lot of land for this purpose. So he's doing something extraordinary. That's what I can say. The range of products we produce now, we make everything here in Nigeria. We produce everything here in Nigeria. Even the raw materials, most of the raw materials we also procure in Nigeria. What we source outside is mainly machinery, because we don't have the capability and capacity here in Nigeria to do such. Every other thing we do here in Nigeria. There is a machine that was designed and fabricated locally and is performing wonderfully well. You know, so I think government should, you know, study some of people like this, and then know where to come in. Because if government should come in, a time will come when most of these things will get them here in Nigeria. There is need for government backup. That is what I want to say. Government need to do their part to help people like this, to to expand the country, to boost the economy of the country. That is what you have in places like China, even Vietnam of yesterday. They are doing very well. So if our government should sit down, in fact, I suggest they should invite people like this, you know, discuss with them, and then see how they can help, so that when you establish, a strong industrial base, you have an industrialized nation. You have employment here and there. The economy, you stop capital flight. It will get a long way in helping Nigeria. Let me give you a brief on our processes here. When it comes to cable production, there are some raw materials you need, and some of these raw materials, there are kind of standards. Yes, you have standards. For instance, when you are talking of copper cable, you use it's not pure, but I would say it's pure. You use 99.99 electrolytic copper. That is the standard. And then you use PVC. PVC, you have cable grade. You have some other lower grades. So what we do, we do our specification based on standards, and then we now forward to potential suppliers, and you send a sample. And when we confirm the sample, okay, or sample or samples, when you confirm them, okay, we'll now pencil you down as one of our suppliers, and we'll start patronizing you. And then whenever we receive any batch of raw materials, then we go through series of tests to confirm that what we receive is what we desire. And then before the quality assurance will now ask a production to carry on and then start processing. Then in the course of processing, you also have some quality checks being carried out by both the operators and the quality assurance person to ensure that what you are producing is in line with the standards, NIS IEC standards, till it's finished. So when you finish, you now do your handover and ensure that everything is handled delicately or carefully, handled carefully to the store before they are taken to the market. So all those things we do it to ensure that what we are giving to our customers are top notch.
Can you take us around and show us some of the massive things you guys are doing here?
It will be my pleasure to do that. You are welcome to Zobi's manufacturing plant, where we manufacture the outstanding quality cables.
Okay.
So can go in.
Okay.
Let's go in.
Wow. This is massive, right?
This is the first port of call. This is where the processing starts. So what you are seeing here is a copper. This is a copper wire. Before now, they come in copper rod, and then we use that machine to break it down to these sizes.
Okay, this was rod.
Yeah, it was rod. We have to break it down to these sizes.
Okay.
Right? But our rod is finished. So this is what we have now.
Okay.
So from here, you now break it further to other smaller sizes. So this is an intermediate drawing machine.
Okay.
All right. So from here, it now goes through the body.
Okay.
It goes through the body. This liquid you are seeing is a kind of a lubricant.
Yes.
That makes the drawing easy.
Okay.
Makes it easy. And then from here.
Yeah. Continue.
From here, you then run the wire through the annealing chamber. This chamber is called annealing chamber. Annealing is an engineering term.
Okay.
Annealing, so that you make the wire to be soft for flexibility.
Yes.
For further processing and also during use.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Then you move down up to this. We call this take up.
Take up. Okay.
So this is now where you collect the wire.
Okay.
Like you can see, these are the drum wires.
Yeah.
So when you bring it down, you weigh it and you record it. And from here, we'll now move to another machine.
Wow. Okay.
Then this machine can supply the extrusion, it can supply the sander, it can also supply fine wire drawing machine.
This particular one.
Yeah, this particular. So this is fine wire.
Okay, let's go to the fine wire.
This is fine wire drawing machine.
Wow, this is massive. Now, what I'm seeing here is too much, man.
So,
okay,
this is the input. This input is from that machine, the one we left just now.
Okay.
And then it will also go through the drawing chamber, through the annealing, and then up to the takeoff. Okay. Hello, bring that.
Okay, this is the annealing machine.
This is a drawing machine, fine wire drawing machine. Okay. This is the drawing chamber. This is the annealing section, and then this is the takeoff.
So this is 3-in-1 machine.
They are together. They go together. Okay. So this is.
Okay, this is now it's not smaller. Okay, but smaller. So it was bigger. And this is smaller.
So now it will not draw it to a smaller dimension.
Wow.
So that is why it's called fine wire.
Fine wire.
For production of flexible cables.
Produced in Nigeria, in Anambra State. If I know Kuba, I go to now for Kanaja. If anybody make an okay.
All right. So from here, we'll now move to other machines.
Okay.
Let's move down.
Okay. So this company has a door. It's very massive.
We're even saying that what we have here is nothing. Is not much.
Okay, like you are complaining that you don't have enough space.
We don't have any. We don't have machines. That's what we're saying.
Okay, there's no machine.
There's no machine here.
So all this you are showing me is just.
They are nothing. Where we want to go is far more than this. Far more than this. So this is a extrusion section. Okay. This is extrusion. As you can see, this is a product from that machine.
Okay, from the other machine.
Yes. So it forms an input for this machine.
Okay.
So what we do here is process of extrusion. Extrusion is an engineering term used when you melt a material to flow out and then form, a shape. So as it's coming now, it's now coating the wire, and then when it gets here, the water makes it solidifies it.
Okay. So continue.
So it's called extrusion.
Okay, this is the wire now.
This is the wire. So this is the cable.
The cable.
So it's not green. Like it's already coated. Okay. So it's not forming a cable.
Oh, okay.
A cable is a combination of a wire and then the part.
Yes.
And then this is what we call a embosser. Embosser. This gives it an kind of inscription that tells you the size of the product, the voltage rating, and then the manufacturer. Wow. So this is what when you see in the market, you can identify it with a particular manufacturer. Wow. All right.
Okay.
So it will now go. It comes here. This is an accumulator. This is an accumulator. It helps to gather the cable when you want to change that output.
Yes.
So that you don't disrupt your production.
Yeah.
So that is that. All the extrusion lines, they are basically the same. We have about 6 of them.
Okay.
We have six of them.
Yes.
Some other ones are working there. So you can just do an overview and then get some of them before we now go to another machine.
This is massive, man. So this machine and this one, they are the same.
They are the same.
Doing the same work.
Yeah, they are the same. But as you can see,
different colors.
Yes, the color is there is something you call colorant.
Okay.
Master batch, you call it master batch. They're colorant. You use it to give any color you want. You have red, you have green, you have black, you have blue, you have yellow, you have green, and so on and so forth.
Yes.
So that is what we do here. This is the extrusion section.
And upon all this, and you are saying that you people have not even started. And like the way you are just explaining to us, you are telling me that people have not started. Like if you want to talk about where people are going.
Yes, compared to I think when I say there's no machine here, it's relative.
Yeah, I understand.
Compared to where we are going, we don't have any machines here. Now we now tell you the dream the owner of the company has.
This is massive, man. I swear this is massive, and I must commend you people.
Thank you.
This is company that produce cable in Nigeria, Anambra State.
Wire is when it's not coated.
Okay, come. Let
This is a wire.
This is a wire.
This is a wire.
Okay.
This is a wire.
But when it's coated in this something like
it becomes cable.
It becomes cable. Okay. This is a company where they manufacture wire and cable. So you can choose any wires you like.
This input here is wire.
Oh yes.
Wire.
Yes.
After passing the extrusion section, it's now coated and then it forms a cable.
Wow. Nah, this is massive. So for Emago, oh, when I say Gosimu, if anybody in Alopta, it is some hotel. This is not a hotel, oh. Can I go cool? If I go, Ebana, low wire. Different type of one of the best. Zobis cable.
Like you can see, this one is brown.
Okay, yeah.
It's brown. So any color you want.
And the other one about 24/7. 24/7. So look at our people that employ here. This is our people. This is kind of employment. And this is what we promote, guys. The only foreman are sponsor.
No,
foreman are sponsor.
The only thing we keep praying that government will, one of these days and come down to our language. You understand?
Yes.
So we can do more.
This is investors.
Can do more, yes.
Those who the government needs people like this, like on a normal circumstance.
We can still go there. There's another one there.
Okay.
Another one. What here? So this one is it's a bit more than the other ones, but because if you look at it, this one is already coated.
Okay.
It's flexible product, and here you have three wires twisted together.
Okay.
This is called flexible cable.
Flexible cable.
Flexible cable.
Wow.
And then it will now go, what we call secondary sheeting. It will go through secondary extrusion, which is called sheeting.
Okay.
Secondary.
So that is what is going on.
This one is primary coating.
Okay.
Can you see it's already coated?
Yes.
So it's primary extrusion. So this one is secondary extrusion.
Okay. Wow, it's not. I now understand what is happening here.
Yes.
So this three wire now or two wire is going to be like it's going into one coating.
Yes, they will not go into one coating.
Wow, this is massive. This is massive, man. So Nafia. So if you want to buy wire, so what was this? Everybody for me, my brother can make sure I can na the Bible hotel.
These are some of the technicians we use to construct some of the parts.
Wow.
These are our technicians. They can with the little we have, they can fabricate some parts.
Here,
yes, they can do that.
This is massive. Well done, sir. Dalon. So everything has like a department by department. When you're born now, So this is China in Nigeria.
Okay.
I can say it.
This is Nigeria in Nigeria.
Nigeria in Nigeria. But our people always go to China and learn and bring it home. You understand?
So after here, we can now go and I will show you our expansion program. I will show you our intention, where we want to be in the next 2 to 5 years.
Okay, that will be very, very good.
Yeah, once a product is certified from extrusion, it's certified by quality assurance personnel. Okay. It's referred for further processing, coiling. So it will come here and then be coiled into 100 meters. Okay. All right. So this one is calling 2.5. This one is calling 1.5 green. Okay. And after coiling, they are now she's issuing a label. Okay. This is part of the identification of what is being produced for customers.
So now each Zobis cable you see in the market, you must see this label.
Yes.
And with the stamp.
Yes, stamp.
So see, this is direct.
Find it okay.
Let me see. You look at it. If you buy any Zobis cable without a stamp, it's like it's fake.
Yes.
This is direct, life and direct, where it's manufactured. You understand?
It's a sign of a quality mark. Mark. So these are the ones already put in into the nylon. Yeah. And then from here it will now go to the shrink wrapping machine to the shrink wrap. Wow. But they will do that after the break.
Okay. So I think the other one is finished already.
That one is finished.
Let's go and look at it.
This is the finished product.
Wow.
This is a 1mm red.
So see, after passing all the process, look at it here.
Yes.
You know, the finished product. This is Zobis cable in Anambra State.
Outstanding quality.
Outstanding quality. The outstanding, I can say that is not even okay for what it is. This is extraordinary quality.
Okay.
You understand? This is one of the best quality in the market. I must tell you, You know Creative Law TV. We are not marketing, but we are telling you, we are showing you who we are, what we produce, the kind of people we have in this
Now,
Nigeria.
you see more when we get to the finished goods.
You see it? This is Zobi's table. And life and direct, ka anyị na-egosi gị ya. Ka anyị na-ejekọrọ ifu maka na a na-ekwu ekwu, a na-eme eme. Ọ bụrụ n'ọnụ. This is Akụrụ ụlọ.
Yes.
Ekwenye kpatara ya. He can build this in Lagos, Port Harcourt, but this is in Anambra. He's from Ezinifite. Nnewi South. One Oliver the Coke.
You have so many people who can do this.
We have,
but yet they prefer to be importing, which is not good for Nigeria. You
okay.
understand? If all these importers should, you know, think home and start producing here in Anambra or wherever in Nigeria, a lot of people will gain employment. And when so many people are employed, crime will reduce. Is it not so?
Yeah, it's so. It's
because you have something you are doing, you have something you're gaining. But when you are idle, they say, how do they say it? Idle man's whatever is devil's workshop.
So this is
the industrial plant. So this is where we intend to.
So this is extension.
This is a kind of extension, yes.
Yes. Okay.
But it's for more bigger cables, for industrial cables.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we have about 21 machines that will come and be installed here.
Yeah.
Yes, about 21 machines for armored cables, overhead wires, control cables, and some other special cables. Right? It's not stopping here. There is a land. There is a land he acquired. Maybe when you're going, I'll show you.
Another land.
Yes, that one. He intends to go into medium and high voltage cables. Then fiber optics.
Okay.
Fiber optics and some other special communication cables.
The government needs to need to call this man and hear from him because this idea needs to be supported by the government.
Yes, I'm telling
you. Before now, it was like government who invites the industrialists, like people who manufacturers to come in to invest, and they will support them with everything.
Yes. No.
But now it's like even the manufacturers are begging governments to come and help them, which is not correct.
That is why these Asian countries are doing well because their leaders, tend to listen to them. Their leaders tend to make the environment conducive for them.
Yes.
So that they will now produce and they are exporting.
Yes.
They're exporting, controlling the world. Okay. There is a land we acquired here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's going to be there will be workshop, carpentry workshop, mechanical workshop, and electrical workshop. So that we'll have our technicians will now be producing what we can produce here.
So very soon everything is sourced in this company, like everything.
Yes, but with the exception of machineries, because we've not got into that technology yet. Okay. Yes, but we want almost everything to come in from here.
Yes. Hey, now this is a great idea. As well, like if I'm not wow, then I'm lying. This is massive, man.
Okay, this is our warehouse.
Wow.
Our finished goods store. This is where we pack
the finished
products ready for the market.
Wow.
All the sizes, all the colors, and everything. So this one they are bringing out is for Lagos. Am I correct? It's for Lagos. It's not yet complete.
Okay.
So as soon as it's completed, they will now move to Lagos.
So all these goods now is going to Lagos.
Yes.
See it? This is what we are showing you. After the process, this is the finished product. And Igbo.
If you really look at it, we plan that this session will just take cables, but as you can see, cable is taken up everywhere.
Okay.
So that will tell you the expansion has started.
I love that. Okay, cable have already been taken up everywhere.
It's taken up everywhere.
So this is different size of this thing.
Different sizes,
and the colors.
Yes.
Okay. So do you think people can buy a product because of the color?
No, in electricity there is something called color code.
Okay.
Color code. Each color is for a particular reason.
Okay.
It's standard.
Okay.
It's standard. Yeah.
Wow. So this is massive. Guys, this is finished product from Zobi's cable, and this cable here is for sale. And there is one of the best cable in the market. Everywhere we go, Zobi's cable. If you're in Nigeria, Zobi's cable. Rono, Zobi's cable. Ro Hotel, Zobi's cable. Iji emere nwunye gị surprise, tinye Zobi's cable etu a. Bunye ya. Ife a ka anyị na-ekwu. You know what I mean? So that ka ha ghọtakwa na ife a na-eme na ba nke a bụ nke anyị. This is massive, man. Look at. You know what? Ife production si ndị banye na blood. Na-enye onwere particular size na driver. Size ya. Jesus Christ. This is to tell you how the durability. That's how
It's copper. You know, copper has weight.
this is copper.
Yeah, copper.
Yeah.
Copper.
How are people coping in the market because of the inferior materials or inferior products?
Substandard cables.
Substandard cables imported from outside.
It's one of the challenges the local manufacturers are facing here in Nigeria.
Okay.
And that was why I was mentioning government. Government should come and help, right?
Okay.
Now, our borders seem to be porous.
Okay.
Any person can go to anywhere in the world and bring whatever quality they want and push it into our market. And Nigeria is such a place that it don't have a control. You don't have control.
Yes.
So any person who is building house for commercial reasons,
Yeah.
will take any cable just to maximize profit.
Yes.
You understand? But had it been there is control. Had it been there is control, the way you have in Europe, there is you control everything you do.
Yes.
Those people bringing in substandard cables, nobody will buy it.
Yes.
You understand? But they patronize them a lot. So it's one of the things Kaman is fighting. Kaman is a Cable Manufacturers Association of Nigeria.
Okay.
We've been fighting this thing for years.
Okay.
But I don't know why government is not actually looking in that direction. I don't know why. I don't know the reason. Or is it that Kaman has not been able to convince them that this is what is actually happening?
And I hear that Nigeria have the best wire in the is it in Africa or
one of the best.
One of the
in
best
the world.
in the world.
One of the best.
So-
And it's because of that Kaman.
Okay.
Kaman has a system of checkmating each other. You
Okay.
understand? It's because of Kaman, mainly.
So, the importation, the inferior product they import in Nigeria is giving us headache. If you don't know, let me tell you, the burning of the houses and the fire outbreak is caused by almost the fake wires they use to wire your house. If you don't want your hotel to get burnt, you buy Zobi's cable. Because some houses
It's a fact.
because you will be looking at a very massive investment got burnt, and then now because of the wire.
It has happened before now. It
Yes.
has happened. And the reason for this is happening is the contractors. They want to, like I told you, they want to make
Too much profits. They don't care.
Most times the project owners will want a quality product, but they will go and buy. They convince them to buy this one.
So if you are building a house, call your manager, call your engineer, call whoever that's handling your project. Tell him to snap it. If you didn't see Zobis, tell him to return it and come to Zobis and buy. In Ania, onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-arụ hotel na Igbo a. The only thing ga-emere ndị Creative Law TV ma ihe anyị na-promote akụrụ ụlọ, buy Zobis cable to wire your house. Please, let's grow this company. Ka anyị jide nke anyị jika.